Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond? Since the dawn of humanity, we've been captivated by the cosmos. Our ancestors looked to the stars for guidance, telling stories of celestial beings and mythical creatures. Today, we explore space with rockets and robots, driven by an insatiable curiosity to unlock the secrets of the universe. This is the story of that exploration. It's a tale of daring missions, incredible ingenuity, and the unwavering spirit of discovery. From the early days of the space race to the modern era of private spaceflight, we'll chart the course of human ambition as it reaches for the stars. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for liftoff. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the history of space exploration. We'll meet the pioneers who dared to dream of spaceflight and the brilliant minds who turned those dreams into reality. Our story begins in the midst of the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union, locked in a geopolitical chess match, turned their rivalry towards the heavens. Thus began the space race, a thrilling competition for dominance beyond Earth's atmosphere. The Soviets struck first. In 1957 they launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This tiny beeping sphere sent shockwaves across the globe. It was a wake-up call, demonstrating the Soviet Union's technological prowess. The US responded with urgency, establishing NASA in 1958. Project Mercury, their answer to Sputnik, aimed to launch a man into space. Astronauts, those steely-eyed missile men, became national heroes, embodying courage and ambition. The space race wasn't just about bragging rights. It spurred rapid advancements in rocketry, materials science, and communications. This era of competition laid the foundation for decades of space exploration to come. While both superpowers achieved significant milestones, one goal loomed large: the moon. Landing a man on the lunar surface became the ultimate prize in this cosmic competition. NASA's Apollo program, a monumental undertaking, focused on achieving this audacious goal. The Saturn V rocket, a towering marvel of engineering, was designed to hurl astronauts towards the moon. The world watched with bated breath as each mission brought humanity closer to this dream. Then, on July 20, 1969, history was made. Apollo 11, crewed by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, touched down on the lunar surface. As Armstrong stepped onto the moon, uttering his famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," the world stood united in awe. The Apollo missions weren't just about planting a flag, they brought back invaluable scientific data, inspiring generations of scientists and igniting imaginations worldwide. The moon, once a distant celestial object, was now a place humans had explored. With the moon conquered, humanity set its sights further afield. The quest to understand our solar system drove a new wave of exploration, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity even further. NASA's Voyager probes, launched in 1977, embarked on a grand tour of the outer planets. These robotic explorers, equipped with cameras and scientific instruments, beamed back breathtaking images and data from Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager revealed the stunning beauty and diversity of these gas giants, their rings and moons captivating scientists and the public alike. The probes also carry a message for any extraterrestrial civilizations they may encounter, a golden record containing sounds and images of Earth, a testament to our place in the cosmos. Meanwhile, robotic missions ventured to Mars, the red planet, searching for signs of past or present life. Landers and rovers like Sojourner Spirit and Opportunity explored the Martian surface, analyzing rocks, soil, and the planet's thin atmosphere. Back on Earth, a new era of spaceflight dawned with the Space Shuttle program. This reusable spacecraft, launched like a rocket but landing like a glider, revolutionized access to low Earth orbit. From 1981 to 2011, the Space Shuttle fleet, consisting of Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour, flew over 135 missions. They deployed satellites, conducted scientific experiments, and played a crucial role in assembling the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS, a testament to international collaboration, has hosted astronauts and cosmonauts from around the world. This orbiting laboratory has allowed us to study the long-term effects of spaceflight on the human body and conduct groundbreaking research in a microgravity environment. Though not without its tragedies, the Space Shuttle program left an undeniable legacy. It paved the way for future spaceplane designs and demonstrated the potential for reusable spacecraft. As the Space Shuttle program drew to a close, a new player emerged on the scene. SpaceX. Founded by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2002, the company aimed to revolutionize space travel by making it more affordable and accessible. Musk's vision was ambitious, to say the least. He wanted to reduce the cost of launching payloads into space, eventually enabling humanity to become a multiplanetary species. His company focused on developing reusable rockets, a concept previously deemed too difficult or expensive. SpaceX's early years were marked by both setbacks and triumphs. The Falcon 1, their first rocket, experienced multiple launch failures before achieving orbit in 2008. This success proved that a privately funded company could indeed build and launch rockets, challenging the established aerospace giants. Following the Falcon 1, SpaceX developed the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, larger and more powerful rockets designed for reusability. These rockets became the workhorses of SpaceX's fleet, launching satellites, cargo, and even astronauts into space. SpaceX didn't stop at rockets. They also developed the Dragon spacecraft, a capsule designed to transport cargo and eventually, humans to and from the ISS. In 2012, Dragon made history as the first commercial spacecraft to dock with the space station. This achievement marked a turning point in space exploration. It demonstrated that private companies could not only launch payloads into orbit, but also participate in missions previously reserved for government agencies. The Dragon spacecraft became a regular visitor to the ISS, delivering supplies, experiments, and even Christmas presents for the astronauts. In 2020, Dragon reached another milestone. It carried NASA astronauts Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley to the ISS, marking the first crewed launch from U.S. soil since the retirement of the Space Shuttle. This mission, known as Demo 2, ushered in a new era of commercial human spaceflight. SpaceX's success with Dragon proved that the private sector could play a significant role in space exploration, fostering competition, driving innovation, and making space more accessible for everyone. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX extends far beyond Earth orbit. He envisions a future where humanity is not confined to Earth but spreads out among the stars. Central to this vision is the development of the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for long-duration space travel. The Starship aims to carry humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, with the ultimate goal of establishing self-sustaining colonies on other planets. This ambitious project represents the next frontier in human space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring a new generation of dreamers and explorers. As we look to the future, the possibilities for space exploration seem limitless. Advances in technology, coupled with the growing involvement of private companies, are opening up new opportunities for discovery and innovation. From mining asteroids for valuable resources to exploring the outer planets and their moons, the next few decades promise to be an exciting time for space enthusiasts. International collaborations like the Artemis program aiming to return humans to the Moon highlight the importance of working together to achieve common goals. The future of space exploration holds the promise of new adventures, scientific breakthroughs, and perhaps even the answer to the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The journey is just beginning, and who knows where it will take us next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.